In this video, I'd like to show you how to easily and quickly fix poor print quality on a Brother printer. This will work on most Brother printers, and what it does is it purges the ink out of the ink nozzles and the tubings by blowing out any air bubbles or any old ink. So if you're missing ink on pages that you print, or if you have splotches or marks, this may well fix it for you. This particular model is a J4620DW, and what you need to do is enter your maintenance mode. On this particular model, you do that by holding down the home button for about 5 seconds. And then press the bottom blank tab for about 2 seconds. Then press star 2864. It'll beep and say maintenance. To access the cleaning mode, press 7-6. You can then scroll across and choose whether you want to clean the black or a different color or all of them. But I'm actually going to do a power purge, which is the deepest clean cycle. So I'll have to go back to the numbers, and its code is number 3. And then you can choose to power purge all, or again scroll through and choose a color or black. So I'm going to do all, and then just choose mono start, and that'll go through the clean. Depending on what you've selected, this will take a little while. You'll hear a series of noises and different words will flash up, particularly cleaning will flash up on the screen. So just let it run its course. And then once it's finished, after a minute or so, you'll go back to the maintenance mode menu and just press 99 to exit, and it'll take you back to standby. Now print out a little test page to see how it works for you, and hopefully all is fixed. Let me know how you go in your comments, and if there's anything else you want to know about, please just ask.